हेलो एंड वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। बाजार की बातें में आपका स्वागत है। आई एम उमेश रिंडानी एंड विथ मी ऑन दिस शो इज द ओनर ऑफ दिस चैनल स्टॉक मार्केट्स विद केआर कृणाल रिंडानी। सो कृणाल, आपके चैनल में आपका स्वागत है।
धन्यवाद उमेश जी।
अच्छा, तो दोस्तों, what we will do is that this is the first show, weekly show, and we are going to follow a strict agenda for this weekly discussion on the bazaar, how it performed in the earlier week. There will be ongoing changes, so today's format may undergo a change. Let's get going. So, Krunal, what happened on Friday? Can you tell our viewers ki ओपन हाई लो क्लोज क्या था, एफ आई आई डी आई ने क्या नेट सेल किया, और अभी एस जी एक्स निफ्टी कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है?
Of course, so starting things off first, I'll just show you the OHLC of Friday and हम लोग डेली चार्ट पे देख सकते हैं OHLC हम लोग को ऑलवेज ट्रेडिंग व्यू में if you're using trading view we can find it here. So around 17,900 was the open, 897 पे open था, high was 947, low was 819 and the close was 853. So overall it was a fairly tight day in that respect, if I say. इफ वी लुक एट द 15 मिनट चार्ट हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि उतना मूवमेंट नहीं था। यहाँ पे ओपनिंग कैंडल का हाई था वो कभी ब्रेक नहीं किया था एंड देन ओपनिंग कैंडल्स लो वाज ब्रोकन, रीटेस्टेड बाय दिस एंड देन इट क्लोज्ड राइट अराउंड द प्रीवियस क्लोज, मतलब थर्सडे के क्लोज के आसपास, एंड फेयरली रेंज बाउंड इन द सेकेंड हाफ even though there were a bit of ups and downs. Uh, Now coming to SGX Nifty and such, the good thing is that avenues of investment on TradingView, also known as the co-host for this for this show, which is my father. He prepares these articles every single day, so you make sure you follow him on TradingView. सो इन देयर ही इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन दीज थिंग्स हियर. सो हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हाई माइनस लो कितना था, मतलब 86 पॉइंट का रेंज, व्हिच इज वेरी नैरो एक्चुअली. वी कैन सी द एफआईआई डीआई फिगर्स एज वेल, एंड एसजीएक्स निफ्टी एट 730 was 853 और प्लस 22 पॉइंट्स. सो
या उसके ऊपर देर इज एन एडिशन दैट एज ऑफ यस्टरडे मॉर्निंग और आफ्टर द यूएस मार्केट्स क्लोज, एस जी एक्स निफ्टी वाज एट 17887, सो इंचिंग टुवर्ड्स 900. बाकी तो कल ही मालूम पड़ेगा।
yeah, and I mean, let's see, because Bank Nifty also, if we look at it, I'll just show you Bank Nifty as well. This is what Bank Nifty is looking like. Extremely flat on on the 15 minute chart. अगर daily chart देखते हैं फिर भी मतलब ऐसे तो flat ही है. It's like a carbon copy of this candle, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are both just 1% away from their important psychological levels. दोनों all time high पे है, but Bank Nifty is around 0.6 0.7% away from 38,000, and Nifty is just 1% half percent away from 18,000. So both are at very important levels. So
सो
let's see.
आपको क्या लगता है कृणाल, नेक्स्ट वीक की ट्रेडिंग रेंज क्या रहेगी?
So I firstly, because it is just 1.5% here and there, I think 18,000 for Nifty can be attempted. We can't rule it out. So I'd go as far as saying that 18,100 on the upside can't be ruled out for the
एंड
week, and
डाउनसाइड?
for the downside possibly 17,500. So अगर मैं 15 minute chart दिखाता हूँ आपको, just so we get a more reasonable idea, तो मेरे हिसाब से possibly upside might be capped, or upper bound in my view might be somewhere around here, and the lower bound somewhere around here. So let's see if that actually holds true.
या बिकॉज 17,500 दोस्तों इसके लिए है क्योंकि जब बिकवाली या सेलिंग आ जाती है तो एकदम पैनिक में सब सेल करते हैं और धड़ाधड़ भाव नीचे आ जाता है सबका। और बैंक निफ्टी आपको तो मालूम है कि शताब्दी और राजधानी और गतिमान एक्सप्रेस से भी गतिमान है बैंक निफ्टी। तो 500-700 पॉइंट इधर उधर आसानी से हो जाएगा उनका। तो 37,000 पे पहुंच सकता है, 37,200 भी पहुंच सकता है, एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो रीच 38,500 ऑन द अपसाइड, and that is what I have mentioned in my post also. So now I think it's time we look at the sectors that are in focus for next week. And what are those sectors, Kunal?
So we can look at the sectors again, once again, courtesy of you only.
Oh,
If we
thank
look
you.
at the other, yes, if we look at the other article that my father has posted on TradingView, you can see here it's called swing trading opportunities और इसमें नीचे यहाँ पे sectors है. So auto sector nifty, auto sector bank nifty, media, metals, private banks. So we'll look at two sectors from this list which he feels are good. So the first one is actually just bank nifty. So bank nifty is the first sector that we are looking at. Now obviously we can see it's right around 38,000. Sab baat kiya. This is what it looks like on the RSI front and everything. Looks decent. And also, if we look at some of the banks, they do look reasonable. Want to add something to
HDFC
it?
Bank
वो भी
is
देख लेंगे हम लोग. But फिलहाल में we'll also look at media
yeah,
because
yeah,
that is
media,
also what
media
you
also. Yeah,
said.
media is. I think on weekly charts, media is showing a very good trend,
Right.
and it has broken, I think, 50 WMA. So
Yeah. This is what media is looking like. And if I just enable the moving averages, you will be able to see that this is the 200
200, अच्छा
weekly
200
moving
break
average.
किया
This
है
is the
हाँ.
50 weekly moving average, and it's been a pretty wild ride. पिछले महीने में it's gone up 11%, which is
Yeah,
very decent, and the month before that, it actually went up by a fair bit
correct.
as well.
And based on whatever videos I have been watching of yours, KR, I think this also seems to be a case of your MSB or market structure
Yeah,
breakout
yeah, you can
over
consider
here.
that. Definitely. So
Uh,
for the viewers, for the listeners and viewers, MSB is basically when we are seeing like a downtrend like this, we are seeing lower lows and lower highs. But after this point here, हम लोग ने क्या देखा? हम लोग ने देखा कि lower lows और lower highs से it actually became higher lows and higher highs, which means that there was a market structure break. So that basically means essentially, see, this was the low and then it actually broke it. It's a little untidy, but you get the point, right? ये वाला
yeah.
level तोड़ा and then it was able to clear it.
इस समझदार को खाली इशारा ही काफी है भाई. तो these are the two sectors that you have shown. Uh, what are the stocks that you feel, or rather I feel, are in focus for the next week? Let's have a look at them. Some of
Sure,
them,
sure. So see, these are the stocks that are there in the list, and again, you can access this list as well as this analysis article on TradingView on my father's profile, which is Avenues of Investment. But अगर stocks देखते हैं, we've got a few. ACC है, Blue Star है, Dhanuka है, Emami है, quite a lot of stocks.
आप देखेंगे तो interesting thing is that even ACC at the top is one of the stocks in focus, and Ultratech as well. So see, this means that there is sector confirmation happening. So whenever the sector is in sync with the script, and the the weekly charts and monthly chart and daily chart, all these are in sync, that is the kind of trade that one should look at. My focus this week is going to be on 2 to 3 scripts, KR, and these three are the bottom three: DCW, Idea, and Walchan Nagar.
Okay, so I will just show our viewers what you are talking about. DCW. This is DCW on the weekly chart, and DCW is actually a stock जिसमें मैंने position भी ली थी, थोड़े time पहले ली थी, but this is what DCW looks like. We can see that this was the previous high that it created, and it is right around that area. But it's a pretty, chunky, good, sizable candle that we can see. And real estate, we know how real
Yeah.
estate has been doing. So that's what DCW looks like. आइडिया तो शायद सबको आइडिया आ गया है कि क्या क्या मूव्स
Ah,
किए हैं इसने फ्रॉम 5 to above 10,
yeah.
100% ROI in like less than 1 month. I don't know which other stock has
हाँ,
given
तो मुझे
in this
इस
month.
बात का आइडिया आया था 7.5 रुपये पे. तो
हाँ,
आप दिखा दीजिए कि 7.5 रुपये कहाँ पे थे जहाँ पे मैंने बाय किया होगा.
possibly
एंड
somewhere
अगेन
around here.
समझदार लोग समझ जाएंगे कि मैंने क्या समझदारी दिखाई थी. हाँ, दिस इज वर्थ.
So 51% ROI in case you are wondering. And it's pretty good, right? Not bad
Right.
at all.
So fine. So we did, and one last Walchan Nagar.
Yeah, we'll just do that as well.
Now, Valchandnagar, this is thanks to a very veteran person from the industry who referred uh, to a relative of mine, and who actually gave this script name to me. Valchandnagar is one of the companies that I have audited also in the past, and you can see the setup. It's not great, but what you can see is that there is a base getting built. So either it is make it or break it kind of thing. अगर नीचे जाएगा तो तोड़ के जाएगा, तो रिस्क कम है, रिवॉर्ड थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. तो अगर आई थिंक आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट शुड बी माय ट्रेड्स. जो मैंने काफ़ी सारे ट्रेड्स लिए थे पिछले हफ्ते में, लेकिन सबसे बढ़िया ट्रेड जो मैंने लिया और थोड़ा-सा मिस हो गया, थोड़ा-सा मिला। अगर आपको ये देखना है तो प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो व्हिच वाज़ पोस्टेड अर्लियर दिस वीक, आई मीन अर्लियर टुडे, एंड इट्स अ nice little experience that one can get, in how you can actually turn a simple ordinary investment of 12,800 into 117% return in a matter of few minutes. Hits and misses in Maruti 6800 call. And now let's look at the trading insights that you can show the viewers where the trading insights would be.
Yeah.
हम बोलेंगे नहीं ज़्यादा, क्योंकि ये अगेन मारुति के बारे में है, शायद एफएमसीजी के बारे में भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि एफएमसीजी स्क्रिप्ट सारी नीचे आ गई थी. देन देयर विल बी टॉक अबाउट बैंक निफ्टी. अगर आपने बैंक निफ्टी को देखा होगा तो प्रीवियस क्लोज और वीवैप के बीच में फ्यूचर चिपका हुआ था. इट वाज नॉट एबल टू मूव आउट ऑफ दैट very tight range, and that is why both of us feel that there is something that may explode on either side, break out or break down, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
And coming to the next part of the agenda, a friend of mine from Saudi Arabia has asked me a question saying that, Umesh, I want to keep investing in the market on a weekly basis, SIP जैसा. तो वो कैसे करे? Do you have any thoughts यार?
Yeah, so actually, as it so happens, I have a video on this as well, and I'm sure the viewers at this point know how much I like to self promote, but it's true. So I have a couple of videos here. एक तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं is on gold. So
Right.
ultimately the assets that you invest in completely depend. अभी आपको अगर gold में करना है तो I have this video here basically talking about how it's easy to invest in gold just for 40 rupees. I also have some other videos जो पुराने हैं थोड़े. तो
ETF वाले.
ETF वाले एग्जैक्टली. सो इफ यू गो अ लिटिल पीछे, then you will come across a few videos of mine. I'm just finding it so
Yeah,
you
so
don't
if
have
they
to.
can search on ETF, they will come to know.
Yeah.
And the other thing that I think one should be ready with is that मार्केट एज ऑफ नाउ एटीएच पे है, और एटीएच पे मार्केट होगी तो प्रेशर तो आएगा ही. एंड दिस इज नॉट द बेस्ट टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट, बट देर इज नो राइट टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट ऑल्सो. Ideally, if I am there now, as it is, I believe that I will allocate only limited amount of capital to the market, and I will wait for good opportunities to come. जैसा आपने देखा, काफी सारे स्क्रिप्ट्स है जो मार्केट अभी भी ऊपर है, लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट्स नीचे है. अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स है, अच्छी कंपनीज है, आपको मौका जरूर देगी. आपके पास कैश रोकड़ा बनाए रखे बैंक में. सो वेन एवर यू साइट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, you can invest. And before people start thinking that we are SEBI registered advisors, this is a caution that we are not at all SEBI registered. We are sharing this purely based on experience, and it is for educational and information purposes only. Any final thoughts before we say good luck to our friends?
Yeah, I think we're all good. Just that if you have any questions, make sure you use the comment section to let us know. And ऐसे कोई
Yeah,
भी questions है, we'll always feature this. We are hoping to make it a weekly series, बाजार की बातें. So next episode में definitely we can answer the question if it's valid.
yeah.
And yeah.
Okay, happy trading and happy money making, friends. See you in October.
Also, happy weekend.
Uh-huh.